In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock elements here in Canva. So I have this design just here and a few of the elements are locked. So to know if it's locked or not, if you try and highlight something like that and it's not working, that means it's locked. Now if we try and pull this and move it, we can't because it's locked. Now if we click onto the element and look underneath, we're going to see this little locked padlock. Now to unlock this is simple, we just click on there and bam, this is now unlocked. We can do the same for this one as well, and this one, and let's just do that background just like so. And now all of these are unlocked, which means if we try and highlight and select multiple elements, we can now do that because again, the elements are unlocked. But nonetheless, that's how simple it is to unlock elements here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.